Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to delete a YouTube playlist. Open YouTube, go to Library, click Playlists, then select the playlist you want to remove. Tap the three dots to open more options, choose Delete Playlist, and confirm when prompted. If the playlist contains videos you own, they remain in your channel, but the playlist will be removed from public view and your account. Start by opening the playlist and verifying its contents so you don't accidentally remove needed collections. Click the three dots next to the playlist title to reveal actions, then choose Delete Playlist. Confirm the deletion when prompted, and the playlist will be removed from your account while the original videos remain on YouTube. This method works across desktop and mobile apps with the same basic steps and confirmations. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which adds voice control and intelligent mapping so you spend less time cleaning and more time creating playlists. I love the convenience and laughable pause when it bumps into a cord, making chores feel lighter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you think you might need the playlist again, copy or export the video links before deleting to keep a backup. Remember that deleting a playlist does not delete the original videos from YouTube, so channel content stays intact. As an alternative, switch the playlist to private to hide it without removing it, which preserves order and saves time if you choose to restore visibility later on for viewers or collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.